Dr-Rudi.com, this is an amazing site. So what inspired you? What's your mission?
Well, my mission is human health. I spent 25 years in the pharmaceutical industry, both inventing, developing, manufacturing, and marketing pharmaceutical drugs. I've also spent almost 10 years in the nutraceutical supplement industry and doing basically the same thing, but not drugs in this case. We're talking about supplements, which are not drugs. And I've learned a lot, and I know where pharmaceuticals work extremely well, and they do, and where supplements work very well by themselves, and also where the two things work very well together.
Dr. Rudi, you work for a supplement company. Has Dr-Rudi.com have any affiliation with that?
Yes, I do currently work for, at this filming, I do work for a supplement company, but this website and what I say on this website has absolutely nothing to do with the company I work for. It is not their opinion, it is my own personal opinion. And the experience and the knowledge and the literature I read is what I do, goes through my brain and comes out of my mouth, and it is not the opinion of somebody else. I do read literature, I do read scientific journals, I read labels on pharmaceuticals, I read labels on supplements, and I have opinions about those things, but they're my opinions, and they're not the opinions of the company I work for. And I'm almost 70 years old, so I may just do the Dr. Rudi thing as a full-time thing in the future anyway.
Can you tell me a little bit more about what we can expect from the website?
Well, I do want to, it's not going to be WebMD.com, it's not going to be ghostwritten by people in the Philippines. It's going to be written by me and a team that I may hire that share my philosophy. I will educate them to the way I look at things, and I will edit virtually everything that goes through this site. There will be a blog where people can ask questions. There's going to be news items, timely things. For example, just a few weeks ago in the New York Times Magazine, which happens to be one of my favorite references for unusual medical circumstances, there was a story about a young boy that was diagnosed with scurvy. And this is in 2015 in the United States. A young boy is diagnosed with scurvy. And a few months earlier than that, the New York Times was saying that vitamins and supplements are not necessary because we get all this good stuff from the food we eat. Well, there's a disconnect between those two things, and I respect the New York Times very much. But I want to get materials out there that people know what they should be supplementing with. I don't sell vitamin D. I think you should take vitamin D. I think krill oil, caviar oil is something new that I've seen in the marketplace. I'm not going to promote any brands at all. It'll all be very generic, and people would be free to advertise on my site if they want to, but they are responsible for their content and their advertising, not me. If I see questionable advertising, I will stop it. It's not about money. It's all about human health, and that's really what I care about.
This is so interesting. I understand the website is a work in progress, so really look forward to seeing this myself.
Well, I'm very excited about it, and thank you so much for working with me and getting this information out for people to see.
Thank you, Dr. Rudi.
Thank you.